Permanece sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas sobre la taza. Y por favor, cuide sus pies. Gracias.
My name is Madison. I'll be your captain and storyteller aboard the Belle. For your safety, please remain seated with all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please keep an eye on all of our little ones. For here our tale begins with Monstro the Whale. You might look a little scary, but I don't want you to worry. We'll be at the end of this tale before you know it. Just like our master storyteller Walt Disney, let's keep moving forward. And here we begin with the three little pigs. You are safe and sound in houses of straw, stick, and we ever so practical wolf-proof brick. Alice met the White Rabbit and chased them down, down, down into Wonderland. The things only get curiouser and curiouser from here. Like on our right page in London Park, where Peter Pan met the darling children and took them all on to Neverland and straight on till morning to make new adventures of their own. In Agarlock, the chef met Aladdin. He stole a loaf of bread, an apple, and her heart. These archers are the very same ones that Aladdin and Jasmine soared over sideways and under on their magic carpet ride to a whole new world. A whole new world awaits us in the Cave of Wonders. So let's all go inside and make a list with that phenomenal cosmic power. Snow White, whether you look for the search for safety, they offer her shelter and thanks for her kindness. You may see the mine or even hear her whistle while she works. Cinderella wishes to go to the ball, her fairy godmother granted her that wish. When the clock struck midnight, the matches might have worn off, but the love did not. On our left page, the patchwork quilt inspired by the 1950s of something cartoon, Lullaby Land. These stories are just what inspired our master storyteller Walt Disney to keep moving forward. Now where some dreamt on a bed of flowers, there's only one who dreamed in a tall, tall tower. We're coming to see the floating lights and the designer helped her accomplish that dream. I guess so should have been back to Toad Hall by now, but I bet he's off on another wild ride to nowhere in particular. In Arendelle, Elsa built a nice palace for one, and Anna did not let it go. These two soon learned the family loved weather, even no harshness in the storms. In the Alpine village, Geppetto wished for his puppet to become a real boy. And the fairy granted that wish. Once was a little mermaid named Ariel who was sick of swimming and ready to stand. That's her castle on the right, to this part of our world. But her story first started in the kingdom of Atlantis. On the left under that waterfall. Now as we have posted up. Please stay seated with all hands, arms, and fingers inside the boat. On behalf of everyone here in Aurora's Kingdom, we hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And we cannot wait to see what kind of stories and adventures you have left tonight. Once again, please stay seated until I count.
I'm gonna see if I can go talk to someone.
Y'all good? Yeah.